Let's talk about the shadow side of astrology zodiac sign Gemini. Before I get started, hi, my name is Natalie. If you're new here, I talk all about astrology. Link in bio if you wish to schedule your private astrology reading. You can also watch all of my content on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, as well as Instagram. I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube, so I'm sure if you just have a random question, it's probably already there. I love making these shadow side videos of every zodiac sign because almost always these signs will flock to the comment section and talk about how saintly they are and how they're the real victims here and how they've never done any of these things. And the problem is the world. The rest of us, we're the problem. It's not them, they're perfect. So on to the shadow side of Gemini, and I'm so excited about this. First, you need to understand that Gemini is ruled by Mercury. Mercury is the planet of communication in astrology. So Gemini's whole operation is about receiving information, sharing information, processing information. That is how their brain works. That is how they're made. They're not being a certain way. That's who they are. This is why you will almost never find a Gemini that is boring or that is a terrible conversationalist. Gemini's fun, lighthearted, the life of the party, humorous, clever, highly intelligent, almost like a walking encyclopedia in some ways. They know a lot of things about a lot of different things. The most creative thinker of the entire zodiac. All those beautiful qualities, though, can turn dark sometimes. And that's when we, in astrology, talk about a shadow side. It means it's a part of you that you're not overtly aware of. It's your dark side, the side that you hide from yourself. Number one, gossip. Because Gemini is a walking database, they love sharing information. And unfortunately, sometimes they will share information they don't need to share or create information to share just to see what happens. Gossiping and lying is one of the worst Gemini traits. They will say one thing and do another. This is why a lot of people refer to them as being two-faced. It doesn't help that they're mutable, so sometimes their minds change and people just don't respect it. Gemini is anxious, their brains are scattered, and their lives are filled with unnecessary drama, simply because of their inability to have any type of self-control. They're very impulsive, and almost every thought they have, they feel they need to share it out loud. And that is where the problems start. In their need for constant stimulation, it's not unusual for them to be snoopy. So they like to get involved in people's lives in ways that are unhealthy and completely unnecessary while they neglect all of their emotional trauma. And while they like to ask intrusive questions of other people, they seldom ever want people to get that close to them emotionally. Gemini is constantly looking to have fun and they don't mind starting shit just for the entertainment.